Hinahanap na pala ako nito.
Can I do moonwalk?
Moonwalk.
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys! Good afternoon guys. Late na tayo nag-vlog. Alis kami. Ilak lang ni Mister ang pultahan. Ang ginaw guys. Oy, buti na lang hindi ako nag-garden. Mahangin din ang ginaw, grabe. And si Mister on ito. Naka-coat din siya kasi ang ginaw. Punta kami sa sister-in-law para ipadala ito. And then punta din kami sa Habi-Labi para bibili ng something. Ito yung kailangan kong ikat dito. Ang ginaw, grabe. Yung ginaw na hindi mo mag-gets. Grabe agad. Ang ginaw guys. Nag-start na silang tumubo. Nag-snow kanina guys. Sandali lang naman. Hangin. Uy. The wind make it worse guys. Right, hon? Okay. So,
Hope you feel cold.
oh my god, my husband is just, he's wearing even coat just to get out the house because of
I
the,
don't know what we'll wind up doing.
yeah. Why, do you have a
Because my
plan?
wife has plans in her head.
What my plan is?
I don't know what yours is plan in your head.
So, dito na tayo sa sasakyan. So, pasensya na, late akong nakapag-vlog. Kasi, yun, morning is a relaxing morning to me. And my husband, sometimes I edit a vlog. So, yun. And then, marami akong ginagawa. And yun. Are you okay?
Yep.
Okay, it's okay, he said. Sa sister-in-law, you have to text her first that we're on the way? Or I'll text her?
Andrew?
Yeah. No, I'll text her. Why? What now?
The adapter.
Oh my goodness.
I can't assume that I'm not getting
Oh my god. There's something wrong with him. Ganyan yan siya guys. Kasi itong sasakyan na ito guys is wala siyang Bluetooth. So ang ginawa niya is, bumili siya ng cassette. Hindi siya cassette, wala siyang tape. So ang ginawa siya, itong cassette na to may wire. So yung wire na yan is nakakonect sa somewhere. So yun, magagamit niya yun kung makikinig siya ng music sa iPad or sa iPhone. So yan, meron siyang so parang old days ba? Yung mga gamit sa noong unang panahon. So yun siya. And, hi guys, nandun kami sa kapatid ni Tami. Matagal-tagal din, nandun kakaalis lang namin. Dito kami sa sa driveway. Slow down. Cars? Nothing. Anyway, so we're going to Habi-Labi. Habi-Labi po kami. May bibilhin lang po ako. And Tami have to go to Stop and Shop. Shop, right? To get some
I know there's a way to
skanky.
go this way, but I don't know that way. If you know that way, I'll go that way. Otherwise, I'm going to go back towards like...
Yeah, go this way.
You know where we're going? Because
Yeah.
And there's no GPS in this car.
Okay guys, there's no GPS in this car guys. I forgot. Oh, there are Bobcat. I really like this machine. Oh, there is this is new open, love.
It's open?
They're open here.
Yeah, they've been there a long time.
Okay, so andito kami sa lugar na dito sana kami makatira guys. Yung, this is where we supposedly be living, this road over here. But that was a nice house guys. Honest to God, that's what you should buy, the house over there.
Which?
The one that we make an offer. The first house that, okay,
Probably.
yeah, it's nice guys, nice. 2 kitchen, the dining, the breakfast area, breakfast nook is nice, glass, you can see the backyard, everything. And that was really a nice guys house guys. I posted it on Facebook already. Watch out, let them go.
I know.
Magkapit bahay, 5 minutes away yung sana sa my sister-in-law's house, 5 minutes. But you know, Tommy doesn't like the house guys.
It's cracked.
No, the house was perfect. It's just the basement.
That's the foundation of the house. It was cracked right through.
Well, you don't even know.
I did know.
Somebody bought it, hon.
I don't care if somebody bought it. I'm telling you what's wrong with that house.
Water guys, ang ganda ng tubig. Tignan nyo guys, that's what I miss about life guys in the Philippines. Oh, yun yung na-miss ko sa Pilipinas, yung sapa, the river.
Oh, you're talking about Pocket.
Huh?
Pocket's right.
No, you just changed it, hon. I saw, hon. You just changed it. Guys, ang ganda guys. Yun yung na-miss ko talaga sa Pilipinas guys. I really did miss the life of Han. Go. Go honey. Go honey. Look at this guys. And then stay in your left. Stay in your left. It's Andrea talking. I told her Galleria. She doesn't believe it.
You're saying it's in here? In here?
Yeah.
You say you're going to tell me. I'm asking you. You're not going to tell me.
But because there is something entrance over there close to the area. You stay in your left. Taffy guys doesn't know where to go, so.
I have no idea.
Because over there is like all the. Stay here. Like there's a stop sign over here. Yes guys, this is where the Galleria. The Galagala. There's a lot of parking here. This is where we dumpster dive. Anyway guys. Oh, there is, what is this over here? There's a lot of dumpster. Stairs is closed, I think. It's closed. Stop sign over here too.
I'd go over there.
That's where we dive. Right here. That's where we dive. Ay, nako. Stop.
Yeah, this is the shops at South Hill. That's why.
Huh?
Gallery is over there. This is not the gallery.
This is a Galleria.
No, it says shops at South Hill. That's what Andrew said.
Ah, okay. Okay, shop right. Let this go, guy, because you have a stop sign. So, this is where you wanna go her first?
Go to Hobby Lobby first.
Okay. Let's go to Hobby Lobby. You just go.
A lot of like trinkety home furnishing stuff.
Yeah, Ashley. Are they closed? No, it's not.
Well,
Ashley Home Store.
it seemed dark.
Okay, there are your stop sign here.
There's a billion stop signs in this freaking place. For God's
Of
sake.
course, it's a parking space, hon. There we go. We go
I
to
see
Hobby
it.
Lobby over there. And At Home over there. At Home is a nice place too, but I'm not going over there. Hobby Lobby is a good place to go for house stuff. Okay? Tingnan nyo to guys. Sumusunod sa akin. Dito ako sa mga bulaklak. Mga bulaklak. Sumusunod si Mr. Hanap tayo ng mga halaman. Okay, you walk around. I'll look over here. I'll hanap ako ng mga bulaklak guys. Para sa center natin. Hindi to kasi makikita mo yung mga magagandang halaman. Ito oh, maganda. Ito guys, hanapin na natin yung hinahanap ko. Nawawala. Nawawala yung asawa ko guys. Asa na kaya yun? Nawala si Mister. Ang ganda nito guys, oh, mga bahay-bahay sa bird bath. Oh, this is nice spots. Light. Oh, look at that.
Solar lights.
The solar lights.
$20 for this crappy
That's
light.
it's like, yeah. Is that ice cream float?
No shapes, ice cream floats. You can do that. You can
Oh,
do
look at this, how tiny it is. It's nice now. Huh, it's tiny. For what?
Had to put the hard ice cream in and put the milk in there.
Oh my
And you
god.
spin it and you're good.
Look at this color, guys. Serious. No, don't do that. Don't get that. Seriously, I don't. Magpunta kami doon sa At Home, guys. Kasi walang nagustuhan dito sa ano, sa Hobby Lobby. So, punta tayo sa At Home. At saka ang ginaw, grabe. Ginaw. Ito po yung hinahanap ko, guys. Ito na, nahanap na natin siya. And then, hanapin natin si Tami. Maganda ito, oh. Ito, magkaano ka ito? $4. Hinahanap na pala ako nito, oh. Guys, I like this. Ito, oh. Look at this. I like that.
This?
Yeah.
I got a lampshade over there too.
Have lampshade?
I got a deep one, like
Huh?
a deep one.
Really? Where is it? Oh, this is nice, love. Oh, for your storage display for food that we always use.
Down there.
Downstairs.
$90 for this.
That's stupid.
I'll buy a regular one. Smaller.
Yeah.
This is supposed to be decorative here, like.
Yeah. This one,
This
oh,
is
nice
nice.
for plant. Oh, for outside, love. Oh my God, $90.
Yeah. Nah,
But this one is
for outside,
25.
you
This
get
is what I
destroyed.
want. They have a lot of rugs.
That's
Maram.
all right.
Oh my god, this is nice barn looking thing. How you open that? Oh, nice. Nice, guys. Oh. Oh my god, how much is that? 400? Let's buy the grill instead.
This?
No, the other one over there. It's weird, this design. Holy moly.
Single one.
Ah, single one. Oh, we have this in the Philippines. People make it. Look, bamboo. We make it like that. It's a chair. 150 bucks, seriously. Okay, where is the thing you say you show me? May ipapakita daw siya sa akin, guys. So, sundan natin ito kung ano yung ipapakita niya. Maganda daw, maganda. Let's see. The one upstairs, right? Ito yung siya, lampshade. Oh my goodness. How much is it? 20 bucks? Hi guys, hindi na ako sumama kay Mr. sa loob ng sasakyan kasi sa grocery store kasi gusto na akong maihi para akong every time maglakad ako para yung ano ko is parang lalabas. So yan, nag-grocery siya, bibili lang siya ng canang seafood na is escugel, whatever is that. Escugel, conch na seafood. Not skunk, it's a conch. So yan, anyway, hintayin lang natin siya guys. So yun. Walang nakuha guys. Umalis na kami doon. Wala siyang nakuha. So ngayon, mag-Walmart na naman daw siya. So they're pricey and he really wanna get it. Now he want to go to Walmart to get it. So hopefully they don't have it. Hopefully they don't have it.
Well, they carry it. Whether they have it or not, I don't know, but they do carry it.
You know what guys? One
On their
can
website, so.
One can is 30 bucks. $30. Dalawa 25. My goodness. Andito na si Mr. guys. So, tanungin natin kung nakabili ba siya. Of course, he got some chocolate like we don't have a chocolate in the house. Did he have it?
They did not have the squid but they did have the creamer. They had 2 left. I got both of them.
Of course. That's all. And of course, what else we get?
Well, you expect me to get 2.
No, I'm talking about what else we get.
They had the butter croissants.
Oh my god. Like
And
we
the
had-
tubes, but they were bigger tubes.
Thankfully, they don't have it. They're expensive. They're expensive. Chocolate, guys. This is who it is, guys. Next time, wherever we go, I have to bring something. This car doesn't have nothing. Ang minalas nga naman.
Adam's up on 300 probably has it.
No, we're not going.
I'm not going there now.
Ang minalas nga naman si Mr.
It's like crazy heels.
Nag-stop na naman kami dito sa ibang tindahan. So ngayon minala si Mr. Kasi ang mahal kasi guys. Grabe guys. Saan ka maghanap ng isang kana? Ang mahal. Dalawa din yung kukunin niya. So you go here. Just straight in your wherever. Tommy's were everywhere guys. Everywhere. Watch out over here. Watch out. Hindi kasi si Tommy sanay dito guys na lugar. Ako yung sanay dito. So hindi niya alam kung saan yung pasikot-sikot. Minalas si Mr. Kawawa naman ang Mr. Minalas. Uy, tingnan niyo yung mukha niya, guys. Minalas. That's
Minalas.
Minalas Mr. right here. So right now, because there's no squigel, we're going to the cave shoy. Right here. Oh, park over there. I'll stay here, love. You can park in the parking reserve thing. Punta tayo dito sa KFC. Ang daming nagtitik out guys, oh. So, okay. Just 8 pieces, love. Minalas kawawa talaga yun, guys. Alam ko, tignan niya.
Heck was that kind of a switch?
To say thank you for the chicken, that's why I start driving. Look, it smells good.
Let's be in the bottom of this. Yeah.
Is it complete?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go now.
Yeah.
Okay, now
They
you...
had to give me 2 regular breasts because it was short for extra crispies.
He's making some pancake with apple flavory. Good morning! So, early in the morning, guys. Nakakagising ko lang actually at 7 o'clock. Usually, magising ako 5. When Tommy wasn't here, I always woke up early because of the pets. Okay, that's it. Hi, little boy. You're so nosy, you know that? Magluto tayo ng ipirito natin, i-fry natin itong ano natin, Look, ito oh. Plantain na saging. Lutuin ko lang to. Ay, 122 na pala. Mag-ano lang ako, kakain ng lunch. Let's see kung ano yung...
Andrea want to know if you want to go to Hal Caverns on Saturday.
Huh?
Hal Caverns.
What is it? Teka.
Can I do moonwalk?
Moonwalk.
Well, maybe not.
Okay. Hapon na guys, hapon na. And yun, nakapag-relax na naman ako. Ito, iwan ko guys, nagbago na yung mga vlogging ano ko. Kasi usually, I upload daily vlog. Pero ngayon, parang akong naano ba, parang ayoko nang mag-daily vlog. Gusto ko nang mag every other day, or paminsan daily, or paminsan every other day. Yun, so, pasensya na hindi ako nag-upload everyday dito sa Facebook. If na ano ba, naobserbahan ninyo, hindi na siya everyday. Every other day na siya. Pero yun, salamat guys sa inyo guys, sa time. And, nagluto ako kanina ng, nagprito ako ng plantain. Pinirito ko, masarap yan siya guys. And also, nagluto din ako yung leftover na lumpia na seafood na at saka togi. So, bumili ako doon yung kasama ko si Brenda. Bumili ako ng wrapper. So, tinapos ko lang siya. Look. O, diba? Pumayag na siya sa kung mga pinagagawa ko, guys. Pumayag na yan. Hey, baby! Ano yan guys, sa Reels guys, if you don't see sa Facebook page namin ni Tamimoy, Tami is my part of my page. Of course, we have Reels video every time, every day. Well, actually, we upload like few videos a day. So, yun siya. So, hopefully, makafollow kayo doon sa Facebook. Kasi doon nag-upload talaga ako every day. So, we're going to have dinner. Nagparo-paro G na kami ni Tami. Paro-paro G na.
Yeah.
My baby. It smells so good. Okay, we're gonna eat when the chicken is done, okay? I want the chicken to be crunchy, hon. And we are watching Castle as usual, guys. If you don't see Castle, it's kind of cute story. This solving the crime, and of course also the highlight here is the relationship, the two of them. Castle. Ganap, anong ganap? Anong ganap? What's your ganap? Busy man si Sir Tami. Paru-paru G. Paru-paru G. Paru-paru. What are you doing? Thank you so much guys for watching. Wala kami masyadong ganap guys. Oy, it's already 10 something o'clock. Katatapos ko lang po nag-live sa Facebook. If you wanna be updated, andun ako sa Facebook. Nag-update ako doon. Nagla-live ako. Upload reels doon talaga. So yun guys. I'm going to end the vlog. Tulog lang kami ni Mister. Ang tagal ni Tami. Sabi ko, tara na, matulog na tayo kasi mag-ugay-ugay pa ako. Do you know, mag-ugay-ugay pa talaga.
The ball puppies in here?
Huh?
Ball puppies come in?
I don't know, Misty's here. I don't know, Roxy.
Yeah, Roxy's here too. I just want to make sure I didn't just lock one of them outside in the dark.
Oh, Roxy's outside?
No.
Anyway guys, so we're gonna end the vlog. Wala masyadong ganap guys, oy. So ngayon, hindi nga kami mag-dive ngayon eh. Relax muna ako sa pagda-dive. Kasi wala kami masyadong nakuha guys sa pagda-dive. Dahil sa holiday. Pangit yung mga basurahan. Yun, pangit. So, anyway guys, good night guys. See you tomorrow.